Hey, what are we doing?
We are going to
Home Depot
Home Depot
to
do
build
a Valentine beanbag.
beanbag toss.
Yay!
Cool. And it's just Dad and Nick today. Sophia is with Girl Scouts doing a Build-A-Bear event. All right, let's go. Okay, we're here at the Home Depot. I see them outside right there. You ready for adventure?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go. Here, I'll do Sophia's thing. Te Hama Depot. That's yeah, that's Sophia's thing. Good morning.
Where's your sister?
She's at a Girl Scout thing today. Are you gonna have extras? Thanks. Okay, find a spot. Cool beanbags.
Oh, Dad, look at how many steps there are. There's so many, it's unbelievable.
2 steps. Easy.
Step 1 is done.
My goodness, it's 6 nails and 2 steps. You'll be done like in a minute. Good save.
They give us 4 nails in the bag when it says on there that it needs 6 nails.
We'll need more nails. Too much power.
Oh my gosh, nails, really?
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, ready? Ooh, point. Oh, fail.
Done it. Yay.
Okay, painting time.
Get that little glob at the end now. Like that. There, okay. You're just dabbing it. You want a little bit more.
What next?
So now, start over.
Undo the other color, purple.
Cool. Painting done? Okay, let's let it dry and we'll do stickers. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Right in the pocket. Sticker time. Here you go.
Didn't see that.
What are you up to? What are you up to? Yeah, you are. Look at that smile. You brought it.
Just don't even do it. It's not worth it. Piece it back together. Put it back together. It's a broken heart.
No, it isn't.
That works.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All done? Good job, guys. I'll see you next month. I think we're doing it tonight.
Baby.
Periscope.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on here. There, I did that one for you. Smack. Sweet.
Done.
Done. Now to try it. Here. Ready? What? Well, first try, right? Yeah. First try, first try. Oh, that worked.
Finally done.
That one was so hard. Thank you. See you next time.
You guys have a good day.
You too.
Hey.
Oh no! That's the most annoying sound ever. Hey, Sophia. Do you want to build the beanbag toss?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay, this is an easy one. Super easy. Here's a hammer. Hammer, hammer.
Aha!
Ah! You pretty much have it figured out already. I think this one's upside down. That's basically it. Nails, paint, and stickers.
Oh, they're all little.
It's so easy. That's it.
Yay.
Try it. No points for you. Oh, fail. That's close.
That counts.
That counts? That's 1 point, not 3 points. If you get it in, it's 3, I think.
That counts.
Okay. High five.
That counts.
Hey. Painting time. What colors are you gonna use? Whoa.
Can we mix the rest of this with that?
Sure.
Then-
Make it like a brighter pink.
Yeah.
Wait. Shake it up. Okay. See how that pink turned out.
Hi.
Hi.
Almost done. See? Your mom is done. Get on there. Done with my first coat. Squirt.
It's like you're making potions. Second coat?
Yep, because it's so dry. And I need one little brush after this coat dries, because then I'll do some details.
Flowers or something?
No,
No?
you'll see.
I'll see. Is it a surprise?
Yes. But, okay, fine. You could see it with your camera.
Done, 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 done.
I'm done, done, done. White heart.
White, pink, red. You're gonna put them on the bottom where no one can see them?
The white ones.
Oh, okay.
Because white is looking back. I'm going crazy with stickers. Nom 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 nom.
Is it done? Is it almost done? It looks done.
No. First. I did it.
If you would have missed those, I would have laughed.
Next.
Oh my goodness.
12.
3 more. You guys gonna have a challenge?
Yeah. Nick.
Okay, challenge.
3.5.
Go.
Ooh, 3 points. Nice.
They know 4 because.
Well,
I got
yeah.
them early.
Total.
Go.
And another. Ooh, nice, Fia. That was so close.
15 minutes.
High five. Good game. GG. Hey, GG. Yeah. No, no, no. No, no. GG. GG. Oh, no.